I picked up this bladed 2.5 10 months ago. At the time, my only goal was to get the 2.5 engine running just to see the bike original again. The problem was these bikes have become so rare that engine parts were very overpriced if you can even find them at all, and I just wasn't willing to overpay at the time. I ended up installing my Engine Rebuild Series 47cc Chinese motor where we installed on it every performance part you could buy. It turns out you'll still only hit about 30 miles per hour while your hands vibrate like hell. With the engine still in it, the bike got a complete makeover themed after my first YouTube vid, NOS Pocket Bike. But I pretty much experienced everything I needed to out of that Chinese engine, so a few weeks ago I swapped it again to get into my first all-electric setup. 48 volt battery with a 4300 RPM brushless motor. Despite it being a bit spendier and a similar top speed with it still being stock, I'm really loving it so far. No more insane vibration, no more messy engine oil mix, it's neighborhood friendly, and I haven't had to charge it yet even after cruising it for a few weeks already. Most importantly, it's technically legal. So all that brings us to today. Hopefully a wheelie bar to utilize some of this crazy torque unlike anything I've ever ridden. I'm hoping I can try out this old bike rack since I don't have a lot of access to welding and material at the moment.
I can't see you slip away. Where are we going? What do I run? I've been stuck inside my mind so long I can't see what's going on outside these walls. I can't seem to slip away. I can't see what's going on outside these walls. Where are we going? What do I run? I've been stuck inside my mind so long I can't see what's going on outside these walls.
Here we go, up the hill. Let's do it. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Now for the next video, I want to swap out the back wheels for some bigger ones so that we can get some crazy acceleration launches. So be sure to rate this video and let me know what you think about the new setup down below.